If you're looking to make money online, I'm going to help you out. If you don't know me, my name is Carmen. I've been making a living online for the past decade, and I've had up to 5-figure months with the money-making methods I'll be sharing in this video. I've worked with big brands like Neil Patel, Dan Lok, GoDaddy, and countless others. And along that journey, I've tried out different business models, different ways of making money. I've had successes, failures, and everything in between. And I essentially want to help you speed up the process in finding a way to make a living online, or even just making some extra money on the side. And with that being said, to jump right into it, number one is copywriting or freelancing in general. Copywriting was one of the best ways I personally made money online because it's a high value skill that a lot of companies and brands will pay a lot of money for because of its impact directly on its revenue. Copywriting is the art and science of writing advertisements and marketing material. And why it's so profitable is because you have a direct impact on a company's revenue and conversions. Because of that, you can charge more because of your impact on the company's bottom line. Now, copywriting comes in many different forms. You can be an email copywriter, a website copywriter. Eventually, you can kind of narrow down your niche and field, but it's okay to be a generalist at first, and then you niche it down over time. Now, what I recommend you do if you want to learn about copywriting is go read books like the ones from David Ogilvy, go read Scientific Advertising from Claude Hopkins, and books from Joseph Sugarman. Do that and then start rewriting famous advertisements and actually practice writing to get better. After this, you can actually start pitching freelance writing job boards to make some money and get gigs, and then build a brand by posting content, posting on social media, and physically networking. If you do those few steps over and over, you're gonna build a really big brand and copywriting hustle, whether it's on the side of your job or a full-time income. But you can apply this to literally anything. If you wanna be a web designer, graphics designer, translator, anything like that, you take the same process, you build a brand, you get clients, you go on job boards or use Upwork or Fiverr, and very quickly you can actually start getting some clients and making money. And once again, if you just want a little bit of money on the side, that's very easy and quick to accomplish, but over time you can build it into a 6-figure plus income. Number two is affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. I've had many different affiliated websites, and it's a really great passive income model because it works by promoting another business's products, and you get paid a percentage of every sale that you bring them. For example, if a product is $1,000 and you get a 10% commission, for every sale you make them, you're getting $100 without lifting a finger. And you can make money literally while you work, while you sleep, and just passively all around the clock. One of the best affiliate programs to start off with is Amazon Associates. You can promote anything on Amazon, and the really good part about it is anything else they add to cart within a certain window, you also get a commission for. It's not just that original product. And now to make this work, you do need some traffic sources. You can build a website and start blogging and learning about search engine optimization. You can learn about social media marketing, email marketing, and building a list. And then you promote these affiliate products to your audience and you get a commission. Number three is self-publishing. I've self-published books before, and it's actually a really great way to get good at writing, build an audience, and start making money online. And nowadays with ChatGPT and AI, there's really no excuse not to be a better writer and to be doing something like self-publishing, because there's also platforms like Smashwords and Amazon's KDP, which I personally use and recommend. It makes it really easy to get out books on Amazon, makes the process very simple and straightforward, and you get the entire audience on Amazon to promote it to. And with some reviews and a little bit of traction, it'll start sharing your book to more prospects, and a lot of the sales come in organically. And the first thing you have to do is decide on a topic, something you're passionate about or you know a lot about, create an outline with ChatGPT or just yourself, and then you want to start mapping out all the chapters and all the things you want to teach the people that are reading it. And then you essentially go ahead and write that first draft, edit it and proofread after. You might even hire somebody to do some of these parts for you. And then you can publish it on these platforms and start learning about marketing on social media, email, paid advertisements, and start sending it to this book. Number four is selling online courses. This is another way I love making money online. And it's the main way I actually make money with my business because it's what I'm super passionate about. I can teach people things, help them improve their income, their life, and help them achieve their goals faster. And honestly, it's easier than ever. I personally use the platform Teachable. You might use Udemy and something that's more of a marketplace if you'd like to make it a little bit easier and get customers coming to you very quickly. But if you want to make something more customized and take control of your marketing and everything in between, Teachable and Thinkific are really good. And similar to the book process, you think about something you're very knowledgeable about. You'll create a curriculum which includes all the lessons, modules, everything you want to teach, and everything you think the students should learn about. And then you actually start creating that content, and it's going to be typically a mix of videos written. There'll be PDFs and worksheets, quizzes and tests and different exercises, and then you upload that onto a platform like Teachable, and you can start promoting it. And Teachable in particular gives you a lot of marketing tools, and it's pretty easy to actually get a course up on their platform once you actually have all of the material done. And there's a free plan as well if you want to try that, and then you can upgrade to the other paid options later. And then number 5 is e-commerce or dropshipping. Now, dropshipping used to be really popular several years back when it started to really boom. And frankly, with any business model, you can still make money if you put in effort, you do research, you stand out, and frankly, just stick to it over the long term, and you do everything right. The thing is too, with dropshipping, a lot of people thought it was easy, quick money. There's no such thing. You have to put work into all of these different methods. I've actually run a few e-commerce stores myself in the past. It was a lot of fun, but I found a lot more passion in services, coaching, teaching people, and that's where I am now. But with e-commerce, the first thing you do is decide on a product you'd like to sell. This can be an opportunity you find in the market. It can be a product you're passionate about, something you use every day. And then you go find brands and reach out to them and ask if they have a wholesale program. Now, the wholesale program works like this. When you get an order from a customer, you actually fulfill it through the wholesaler and they ship the product to the customer. That's really dropshipping in a nutshell. And you might make 20, 30, 40% margin, and those numbers aren't really uncommon. Now, as you add employees and marketing and advertising, the numbers on your profit do come down, but the inventory management, product development, all of that's completely hands-off. That's a really amazing part about doing e-commerce this way. Now, essentially, you've chosen a product. You can Google some brands and businesses and then reach out to them to get some wholesale relationships going. And then you're going to create a store using something like Shopify. It's really easy to get up and running. They offer a free trial. There's a payment processor built right into it. And essentially, you'll get the product information typically in a spreadsheet or similar file, and you can upload it directly into your store, and that places all the products, their images and information, and it'll save you literally hundreds of hours versus uploading all that information manually. And then you have to get really good at Facebook ads, Google ads, retargeting, email marketing, social media marketing, and SEO. In conjunction, this will build your brand over the long term and drive a lot of conversions and sales. If you want to learn more about making money online, copywriting, and what we talked about today, subscribe to the channel for my future videos, but you can also go into the description and check out my blog and free courses I have to learn about these things and more. I wish you the best in your money-making journey, and I'll see you in the next video.